Good afternoon, students. Welcome back once again to the mathematics class. In today's lecture, we are going to study a graphical solution of linear inequality in two variables, right? Graphical solution of linear inequality in two variables. But in yesterday's class, we have studied simply an inequalities as represented on a real line. क्या करे थे हम प्रीवियस क्लास में? अब एक इक्वेशन था अभी हमारा, राइट? फॉर एग्जांपल अभी हमारा एक इक्वेशन है, बोल के समझो कौन सा इक्वेशन ले लेंगे. अभी 3x माइनस टू इज लेस देन 2x प्लस 1 बोल के एक इक्वेशन था हमारा, राइट? तो हम क्या करे थे, उसे एक रियल लाइन पे उसको सॉल्यूशन फाइंड आउट करे थे, उसका ग्राफिकली रिप्रेजेंट करे थे वहां पे, राइट? We have represented the solution set on a real line, right? But now we are plotting a graph. अब यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं? ग्राफ प्लॉट कर रहे हैं by using 2D, that is x axis and y axis ले लेके यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं हम? ग्राफ ड्रॉ करने वाले हैं यहाँ पे. अप टू नाउ रियल लाइन पे हम सॉल्यूशन फाइंड कर रहे थे उसका, राइट? ये पॉइंट से लेके ये पॉइंट तक इसका सॉल्यूशन सेट है बोल के. बट नाउ वी यूज a two-dimensional graph like this, right? X-axis and y-axis, right? For example, अभी हमारे पास एक इक्वेशन है बोल के ले लेंगे हम. Let us consider an equation x plus y is less than 5 बोल के एक इक्वेशन है, राइट? See here, it has two variables, x and y are the two variable where the symbol is, it is a inequality symbol, and this equation is in the linear form, that is, it is in the linear inequality, right? So now how we plot this graph by using this equation? So before going to start, we will see some basic fundamentals of this graphical solution. So if we have, अभी हमारे पास एक x एक्सिस है, राइट? अभी एक हमारे पास एक y एक्सिस है, right? It is x-axis, it is y-axis, it is x-axis, right? So it is, we can take negative x-axis, that is x dash, it is negative y-axis, y dash, right? हमारे पास क्या है अभी? एक कार्टेशियन प्लेन हमने ड्रॉ कर दिया यहाँ पे, right? So if I take any straight line, a linear inequality means it is a straight line, right? If I take an vertical line on a Cartesian plane, horizontal plane, or you can take vertical or slight semi-vertical, you can take any straight line on the plane, then there must be two planes we can form. See, if I take a straight line here, if I take a straight line which is perpendicular to x-axis, right? So it forms two plane. So this side plane, what we call it as? It is left half plane. Left half plane, that is first plane we can say. It is right half plane. Right half plane. This is second plane. When a vertical line formed on a Cartesian plane, then there will be two planes, that is plane 1, that is left half plane, and plane 2, that is right half plane. If similarly, if I take one more graph, If I take one more graph, then what will be? Let's see. If I take one more graph here, it is our y-axis, it is our x-axis, right? So x-axis, it is y-axis, it is x dash, it is y dash, right? Now if a semi vertical line is formed here, if I take like this, a semi vertical line is there, right? So it is in the direction of like this, or you can take in that direction, both the direction, here also both the direction. So now here also two regions forming. It is below the, this line is first plane, that is nothing but lower half plane, we can say lower half plane, and above this line is plane 2, that is upper half प्लेन. सिंपल इतना याद रखना है आपको, कौन सा भी कार्टेशियन प्लेन पे कौन सा भी एक लीनियर लाइन मूव कर रहा है, प्लॉट कर रहे हैं हम एक लीनियर इनइक्वालिटी का, कौन सा भी एक स्ट्रेट लाइन, लीनियर मींस इट मस्ट बी अ स्ट्रेट लाइन, एक स्ट्रेट लाइन पास हो रहा है, तो वो क्या करेगा, वहां पे दो रीजन क्रिएट करेगा, दो प्लेन क्रिएट करेगा. इधर it is left, when it is vertical it creates left and right half plane, and when it is semi vertical it creates upper half plane and lower half plane. So we will see an example how it would be. Let's see. अब एक एग्जाम्पल कंसिडर करेंगे, वो एग्जाम्पल के साथ हम क्या है इसका सॉल्यूशन देखेंगे, क्या फॉर्मेशन करेगा ये, राइट. सो लेट्स सी, एंड इसका वर्किंग रूल भी देखेंगे हम कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे इसको, राइट. सो अभी क्या है, दो प्लेन्स फॉर्मेशन हो रहे हैं यहाँ पे, अपर हाफ एंड लोअर हाफ, एंड लेफ्ट हाफ एंड राइट हाफ, राइट. सो नेक्स्ट वी विल मूव. See now, working rule for drawing the graph of linear inequality in two variables. Let's see. Working rule of drawing the graph of a linear inequality in two variables, right. वर्किंग रूल क्या है इसका देखेंगे, कैसे अभी टू वेरिएबल्स का इनइक्वालिटी मिला हमारे को, तो उसका वर्किंग रूल क्या होगा, कैसे सॉल्व करना है उसे, राइट. सी फर्स्ट स्टेप इज हियर. फर्स्ट स्टेप, step 1, consider the linear equation. Consider the linear equation corresponding to the given linear inequality, to the given linear inequality, right. First let us consider the linear equation corresponding to the linear inequality, means just convert the greater than or less than sign in terms of equal sign, right. Second step is find any two points on this line. Find any two points on this line and join these to get a line. Join these two, get a line. This line divides the whole xy plane, the whole xy plane in two half planes. In two half planes. Already we told that if you take a straight line, then it divides a two half plane. Either it may be left, right, or upper half, or we can say lower half. Next, the third step is take any point. Take any point, preferably origin. ओरिजिन लिए तो अच्छा है यहाँ पे, प्रेफरेबली ओरिजिन, नॉट लाइंग ऑन द लाइन, ये इंपॉर्टेंट है देखो, नॉट लाइंग ऑन द लाइन, एंड चेक whether this satisfies the given linear inequality or not. The given linear inequality or not. Next, the final fourth step is if this point satisfies the given linear inequality, if this point satisfies the given linear inequality, then the half plane containing this point is the graph of a given inequality. Otherwise the half plane not containing this plane or point, you can say, is the required half plane, right? So our first point is here. क्या है रूल्स, क्या है देखेंगे अभी. Consider the linear equation corresponding to the given linear inequality. So first we have to convert linear inequality in the form of linear equation. Second one, find any 2 points on the line and join 2 points to get a line, and the line divides the whole plane into two half planes, that is xy plane. क्या करना उसे, any 2 points find out करना इक्वेशन से, वो दोनों पॉइंट से मिला के एक लाइन ज्वाइन करना, वो क्या करेगा, टू प्लेन्स में कन्वर्ट कर देगा वो एरिया, राइट, अपर हाफ प्लेन, लोअर हाफ प्लेन, और आइदर इट में बी लेफ्ट एंड राइट प्लेन्स, राइट. नेक्स्ट, टेक एनी पॉइंट, प्रिफरेबली हम क्या लेते हैं, यूजुअली ओरिजिन लेते हैं. ओरिजिन का वैल्यू क्या करना है, वो हमारा लीनियर इनइक्वालिटी में सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है, वेदर इट सेटिस्फाइज द कंडीशन और नॉट, वी कैन चेक, राइट. Next, finally, fourth one, if this point satisfies the given linear inequality, then the half plane containing this point is the graph of a given inequality. Otherwise, the half plane not containing this plane is the required half plane. So, अभी एक एग्जांपल देखेंगे. हमने एग्जांपल ऑलरेडी बताया था आपको, x plus y is less than 7 बोल के बताए थे, और we can take other example also. फर्स्ट वाला ले लेंगे, x plus, for example, x plus y is less than 5 बोल के मैंने एक इक्वेशन ले लिया यहाँ पे, राइट. सो अभी मुझे इसका सॉल्यूशन फाइंड करना है ग्राफिकली, अभी अब तक तो क्या कर रहे थे हम, उसका सॉल्यूशन सेट फाइंड कर रहे थे इंटरवल्स के फॉर्म में, राइट। अभी मुझे क्या करना है, ग्राफिकली उसका सॉल्यूशन फाइंड करना है। यहाँ पे सॉल्यूशन कैसे फाइंड करते हैं हम, इन टर्म्स ऑफ रीजन। अभी एक्स एंड वाई ग्राफ प्लेन ले रहे हैं, यहाँ पे कार्टेशियन प्लेन ले रहे हैं, वहां पे एक रीजन हम क्या आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं यहाँ पे, दैट इज नथिंग बट रीजन इज अवर सॉल्यूशन रीजन हियर। प्रीवियसली क्या था, सॉल्यूशन सेट था हमारे पास, तो यहाँ पे रीजन इज नथिंग बट अवर सॉल्यूशन set here. Therefore, the reason in terms we can say it is a solution of our graphical linear inequality, right? Let's see. Now, first x plus y is less than 5 is there. Now, we can convert this in the first step. We can convert this in the form of equation. Now, x plus y equals to 5, right? X plus y equals to 5, right? Now, when x equals to 0, what is value of y? When y equals to 0, then what is value of x? By using this, we can find out the two values of this equation, right? Now put here, or you can take take it as equation 1, when x equals to 0 in 1, we get y equals to 5, right? Similarly, when y equals to 0 in equation 1, then we get x equals to 5. So now we got two values here, x equals to 5 and y equals to 5, right? Now using these two, we can plot a graph now. See, it is our y-axis and one more, our x-axis, right? So now it is our origin here, 1 2 3 4 5 6, it is x-axis, right? 1 2 3 is 4 is 5 is 6, right? It is our y-axis. Now we can plot this point on this graph, that is x equals to 5 and y equals to 5. Here x equals to 5, this point. Here it is y equals to 5, this point. Now connect these two. Let's see. Now we have connected this 5 to here, right? So a straight line is formed here when x equals to 5 and y equals to 5. Now here, see, we get a two planes. When we plot a line with respect to x value and y value, then we get two planes. In the two planes, what we can say, upper plane and lower plane, right? So here it is lower plane, that is first one is lower plane, we can say it is first half plane, it is second, it is upper half plane, it is lower half plane. Usually lower half plane we can say first half plane and it is upper second half plane, right? So after plotting the graph, now we check, you can take any point on the line, consider any point on the line. See, if I take origin values by considering step 3, already we did step 1 and step 2. Now in the step 3, what we can do, we take a origin value. Our value is x plus y is less than 0, is x plus y is less than 5, is that right? X plus y is less than 5. So now substitute x equals to 0 and y equals to 0 in this equation. It is in equation 1. Put x equals to 0 and y equals to 0. So in the above equation, above equation. Then what we get? 0 is less than 5. Hence 0 is less than 5. Whether it is true or false. 0 is less than 5. It is true statement, right? 0 is less than 5. It means the solution reason is this first half. This is our solution reason, right? If it does not satisfy this condition, if 0 is less than 5, it is true. So we are taking this plane, right? If it is false, then we go for this upper reason, this reason, right? So now it is satisfies the condition. For that reason we are taking the upper half plane, lower half plane. It is a shaded reason now. This reason is nothing but our solution reason. This is solution reason. Lower half plane, totally we can take this lower half plane is nothing but our solution reason. This is not our solution reason, right? Because if it satisfies in which reason, that reason is our solution reason. If it is not satisfies here, means then we go for this upper half plane. So now the solution reason is lower half plane, or we can say first plane. Got it? काफी सिंपल तरीके से सॉल्व करना है, कुछ डिफिकल्ट नहीं है यहाँ पे. एक है सिंपल, एक इनइक्वालिटी, सिंगल इनइक्वालिटी इन टू वेरिएबल्स है ग्राफिकली, राइट? सो और एक एग्जांपल देखेंगे हम इस पे. लेट्स सी वन मोर एग्जांपल. उसका क्या वैल्यूज आएगा देखेंगे अभी. सी नेक्स्ट वन मोर एग्जांपल इज 40x plus 20y is less than or equals to 120. Next one more example is example 2. 40x plus 20y which is less than or equals to 120. इक्वेशन दिए सो है. सिमिलरली क्या करना है इसका सॉल्यूशन अभी. Let us consider first the given inequality in the form of equality. Now put x equals to 0. Put x equals to 0 in 1. So it is 20, right? (40x plus 20y equals to 120). When we substitute x equals to 0 in equation 1, what we get? 20y equals to 120. Therefore y equals to what? 60. Similarly, put y equals to 0 in 1, we get 40x equals to 120 and x equals to what we get here, x equals to 30. So we got x and y value here, right? We got x and y value. So by using these values, what we can do here, we can plot a graph, right? We can plot a graph here. See. Now let us consider here x-axis, and similarly y-axis, x-axis and y-axis, right? Now it is our origin, right? So now I will take scale 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 on x-axis. On y-axis also same, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 it is, right? Now plot or connect x and y. Plot x equals to 30 here, right? Here x equals to 30 and y equals to 60 here in this point. Now connect these 2 points, what we get, let's see. Now this is our line, which connected line, that is x is 30 and y is 60. So now two planes we formed here, that is it is a lower plane, it is upper plane, right? So now substitute the origin in that equation, that is linear inequality, that is 40x plus of 20y, which is less than or equals to 120 is there. In that we substitute the origin value 0 comma 0. If we substitute here, whether we get solution true or not, let's see. If we substitute 0 comma 0 in this above equation, or put 0 comma 0, x 0 and y equals to 0 in above equation, let's see what we get. 0 is less than or equals to 120, hence it is true statement. 0 is less than or equals to 120. So hence we can say the solution reason is what? This reason. The below reason is our solution reason, right? The below reason is nothing but our solution reason. Simply we can say it's a solution reason. So I think you got the idea. If it is not true, then we can take the upper half plane. So this much is in this our lecture series. Next, in the tomorrow class we will see two or more linear inequalities in two variables. Today we have seen only a single inequality, we have to plot a graph. If more than one or two, if it two with two inequalities, if two inequalities means we get two straight lines. Only single inequality is there, so we are getting a single straight line. If two inequalities is there, then we get two straight lines on this Cartesian plane. So what it will be, we will see in the next class. So till then, take care, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.